Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on CELO. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that CELO is breaking out different patterns, and now recently it has broken out another pattern, and this time it is a down channel. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then here you can see that first it broke out this big and long-term down channel on this 7 days time frame chart, then broke out a big descending triangle, then we had a nice pump. And after that, it was stuck inside in another down channel that recently we had broken out a few weeks ago. And right now, CELO is trying to break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 87 cents and goes to approximately at 96 cents. And previously, it had been working as a support zone here, resistance zone here, resistance here, and resistance here as well. And again, worked as a resistance. And right now, you can see that for the past 2 or 3 weeks, it is working as a resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for CELO with you that I shared with my members 2 days ago. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for CELO that I shared 2 days ago with my members, and that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal Gardner pattern that CELO was completing with US dollar pair on a 1 hour time frame chart, and this was the complete trade signal: buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And if I play this chart, then you can see that this time it was about to complete the final leg, but pumped without entering the buying zone. By the way, this was a nice pump, but the price could not enter the buying zone this time. And before that, we caught almost 12% pump, and this was another Gardner pattern that the price formed on a 4 hour time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price nicely moved up from the buying zone and read the sell targets on here. And this was almost 12% pump on this 4 hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of CELO. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it was moving inside this long-term down channel. You can see that we had bounce here, rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce. This was another rejection, almost another rejection. The price moved very close to the resistance, but could not hit the resistance of the channel this time. We had another bounce here, rejection here, and this time the price was bounced from this long-term support of 40 cents and geared up and broke out the resistance of this channel. So far, from this though, when last time it was testing the support of the channel up till this high, you can see that within the next few days it has pumped almost 144%. And now it is trying to break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 87 cents and goes to 96 cents. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this is a very strong and long-term resistance zone that was previously working as support zone here and almost a support zone here. Resistance, 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 and resistance. And now after the breakdown, again, it is flipped into a resistance zone. You can see that it was the price was rejected here, and now we are trying to break it out. This resistance once again. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel, approximately at $1.32. That is slightly higher than this long-term resistance of $1.20. That was previous. This $1.20 was previously working as a support here and resistance here and resistance here. You can see that despite this long spike, the price could not break it out. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of CELO. And here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term down channel and a descending triangle as well. And the price line has already hit the target for the breakout from this triangle, but still it did not hit the target for the breakout from this channel. And that long-term target can be here at the top of the channel, approximately at $11.50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.